Today we are starting a new sketchbook. This is the current status of sketchbooks for me. So we've all seen these amazing sketchbook montage videos where you've got the artist going through their sketchbook. It's beautiful and immaculate. And it just seems that everyone knows how to create masterpieces in a sketchbook. But it's not the same for everyone. For me, it's mostly blank and an exploration of unfinished, kind of cute, mostly messy, and an exploration of creativity. And that's what a sketchbook is about. But the only way to improve your skills is to actually practice. And the best way to do that is to capture your inspirations in none other than a sketchbook. So I picked up this bad boy at my local craft shop and we're going to be breaking into it. So let's get into this. So this is the sketchbook that I got. And this is the first time that I'm actually going to be venturing into this type of, let's call it masterpiecing in a sketchbook. So the sketchbook that I got is 80 pages, 110 grams. I have no idea if this is even a good sketchbook, if it's gonna work. Will I even stick to this? But let's give it a go and try it out. This bad boy open and see what we got. Isn't that satisfying? So as you saw, I attempted to remove the glue on the page and ended up having a casualty of a page, but we're not going to let that get to us. I'm going to see a silver lining, but we're not going to let that get to us. At least I have a spare page to practice on before I get going on the first page. The first thing I'm going to do is take this spare piece of paper and make an idea sketch. The reason for this is I want to give myself a rough idea of what I want to draw on the first page. So now that I have my basic sketch, all I'm going to do is transfer the sketch onto the first page and ink it in. So why start a sketchbook, you might ask? Well, because a sketchbook is a place to practice your drawing skills, try out new ideas, and capture your creative thoughts and inspirations. And it's fun, of course. Now that I have the basic sketch done, I'm going to get out my Winsor & Newton inks, and it's time to start filling in this drawing. Make sure that you have a comfortable workspace and just take time and relax. Start simple and with the lightest color possible and with what you're comfortable with. This way you will feel happy with what you have drawn and it will bring you the most joy. Don't worry too much about the mistakes. This is just practice after all. You might want to use your eraser to lighten some of the areas just before you start. And when you start doing your ink, start with the lightest colors and build up to the darkest colors. The most important thing is to let your creativity flow. Your sketchbook is a place to experiment with different styles, objects, shapes, and scenes, and gradually build up your skills. I'm already comfortable with lettering and typography, so for this page, it already brings me joy to write out lettering. I'm adding a space for my name and the date that I'm getting started, so I'll always remember when I started. And when the sketchbook is complete, I'll add the end date. And that's it for today, guys. I hope that you found this video helpful and inspiring and that you are now ready to take on your sketchbook journey. Always remember, have fun, enjoy the process of making art, and happy sketching. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.